Is there any taboo subjects in Tantra that people don't like to talk about?
That's an interesting question. Tantra is actually about confronting taboos and bringing them out in the open and getting over your squeamishness about it. So it's like maybe you think it's, for example, when I was living in the Tantra ashram, they have us be naked all the time because we have to get over our squeamishness about it's creepy to be naked. You know,
So they made you what? Naked? Run?
You just walk around naked a
Walk
lot.
around naked? Okay, well.
So that you'll get over that taboo of being naked and start feeling good about your own body, because you know what? You don't look like a supermodel. You just have an average body, and you want to fall in love with your own body, and you want to look at other people, how they actually look, and say, okay, it's okay with me if guys have a little spare tire. They don't have to be six-pack abs. The normal guys don't have six-pack abs. Sorry, I don't mean to insult anybody, but normal guys don't. You know, and it's like, it's okay. You can still be lovable. So the taboos in Tantra are basically, if we see them, we want to say, do you want to keep your aversion to that, or do you want to get over it? Some people in Tantra do all kinds of activities, group sex, all kinds of strange things. I personally have not been into that, but I don't have any judgment on people who do. So Tantra is very accepting.